Kelvin Cinema Festival's second edition launched triumphantly on the 9th of November 2023 with Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh as chief guest and Minister Kyrmen Shylla as guest of honor. Initiated in 2019 to foster regional talent, the event drew seasoned industry professionals and featured Ka Chithi, an opening film by Jaintia filmmaker Simi Khongtiang under the theme Women and Environment. The festival paid tribute to Meghalaya's cinematic legacy, acknowledging contributions from Destina Mauri, Enshan Angeles Lamare, Hedingson Rintathyang, and Meena Ram Daimari. Honoring the late Jeevan Ram Goenka, the festival aims to be a significant annual Shillong event, concluding its 3-day run on 11th of November for filmmaking enthusiasts.
Kisur terue, kings mambang sokang, kejimbang kemam tesli selu, kejenghuan ketan biri, kistumat jenik senang thao, hamtam, kejenggan terpilih sini, kepenuhan, berpersatuan.
Where we are trying to provide spaces for the screening of films on a regular basis. We are trying now to ensure that we create these spaces in a very short time. The redevelopment of the Kandailar is one area which we are targeting to have these screening facilities for films. We have tried to handhold filmmakers expose themselves to national and international festivals. Yes, likely these opportunities do not come as regularly as they should. In a state like Meghalaya, where we still have so many areas that we need to focus to ensure that the people of the state receive what they are due to receive. We will continue to focus and to provide opportunities for all of you, and we are so grateful to a non-government organization like Faces and the family who continue to bring this hope, this ray of hope to the hopeless feeling of likely many artists. I continue to take an opportunity to go to Angeles Cinema to still watch some of the films whenever I have the time. But ever since my life and filmmaking have divorced due to circumstances, I feel that opportunities like this come rarely in between, and I'm very happy, Cherry, that you insisted that I was here this evening